Sabi ni JPC, the problem with our side of the story, si DOJ Sec Remulla ang pinakapatalino. No! What? Ang layo ni Amy kay Sec Boying. And clearly, Sec Boying was winging it. May narinig lang siya dun sa sinabi ni Justice Ascuna at ginamit na niya. Sinasabi niya na, hindi kasi ang ICC ganito yung interpretation niyan eh. Akala ko ba hindi na tayo miyembro ng ICC? Bakit sinasite niya yung interpretation o yung basa ni Justice Adolf Ascuna dun sa Rome Statute? So, hindi siya yung pinakamatalinong nagsasalita sa loob ng kwarto. Sobra ka naman. Ano akala mo? He wasn't even prepared. He was just winging it. Tapos paulit-ulit lang siya. Eh hindi, yan ang basa namin sa batas eh. As if that exonerates them. Nakakagalit, lalong nakakagalit. Kasi parang ang sinasabi nila, eh yan kasi yung basa namin dun sa batas eh, kaya dapat tama. Ngek. Ano yan? Sabi ni Royce. Sabi niya, pansin ko lang. Si Tore kanina lagi siyang, thank you for that wonderful question bago sumagot. Pageant ang pig. But, nakita ko nga yun, parang, ay naku, General Tore, tigilan na natin yung pambobola, sumagot ka na lang. Bakit walang sumasalungat kay Boying doon? Kasi some of the things he was saying were so ridiculous, they did not merit an answer anymore. Parang, yan na yun. Yan ang sagot mo, Sec Boying. Talaga? Executive privilege, my rear end. May dating associate justice naman dun. Bakit hindi ma-reprimand? Hello, binawal nga ni Cheese mag-cite in contempt. Hindi nyo ba narinig sinabi ni Sen Aimee? Eh, pinagbawal kami mag-contempt. So, ano gagawin nila? Awayin nila. Hindi i-reprimand nila. Why? Walang takot sina Sec Boying. Alam nila na hindi sila madedetain. Alam nila yun. Eh, that was probably the agreement. Di ba nung una ayaw nilang pumunta o bakit bigla silang nagpakita? Kasi the compromise was, kinompromise ni Cheese ang mga senador niya. At sabi, o sige, maka-attend kayo. Clearly, they attended only because wala silang takot na tungkol dun sa pag-cite in contempt. Sabi ni Ma'am BM, a chair becomes an obstruction of justice. Sana pala binato ni ES yung upuan kay Diwata nung time na yon. Ay. Sa totoo lang, kanina nung nakikinig ako, parang ang feeling ko, I'm so tired of getting angry at these people, but ayan pa rin. Sabi ni Joseph Tom Antonio, tama talaga sinabi si VP sa sinabi niya na may DOJ tayong walang alam sa nakakahiya talagang administrasyon ngayon. Ay. Sabi ni Paul, pwede na si Boying maging sekretary ng pangkalawakang hustisya. Isaac asks, ba't nilabag nila sa ligang batas? Di ba our constitution is above all? Sir naman, may ganun ba tinatanong ba yan? These people feel that they are invincible. They think na wala silang pananagutan. Ang hinaharap lang nila talaga dito. This is something that you have to understand about the Marcos administration and all his minions in all branches of government. Mas importante sa kanila ang PR. So they'll attend there, they'll say nice words that don't mean anything. But the Constitution, kibel. Diba? What's important is mukha kaming pugi. Poging. Pogi. Pogi. Sabi ni Jem, di lang siya waiter, puppet siya ng administrasyon. Sabi ni Titanium, ang sarap manood sa plastic na nagsisinungaling sa harap mo. Sarap ba tumakan? Sabi ni Pearl Vlogs, contradictory nga yung sinasabi ni Boying eh. Ang hirap intindihin, feeling siguro niya bobo lahat. Now, he was just trying to get through the hearing. Thanks, Adada Ulap. Pinaglalaroan lang taong bayan. Correct. Sabi ni Hani, pwede na pala ngayon magsinungaling sa investigation sa Senado. Actually, oo, parang ganun na nga yung nangyari kasi hindi nga pumayag si Senator Cheese, si Senate President Cheese, na mag-cite in contempt ang Committee on Foreign Relations. Pwede po ba daw mag-interpret ng law? Well, ganito yon. You have to read the law in order to execute it, diba? Eh, minsan, the law is broadly stated that there's room for you to exercise discretion. But, interpret, ibang usapan yon. Si Senate President, ma'am, sa tinanong ni sino nag-utos kay Senator Amy na huwag mag-contempt? Si Senate President Cheese. Kasi pag may order of detention, kailangan pirmahan ng Senate President. So sinabi talaga, huwag kayong mag-cite in contempt. Hindi kayo pwede mag-cite in contempt. Sad ni Ma'am Cindy, sad naman kasi na-release si Ambassador kasi hindi pinirma na. Ay, wag na tayong paulit-ulit dyan. No, of course not. Ma'am Valerie says, the truth is the DOJ exploited the loophole. No, they did not. There is no loophole. What they did was they deprived PRD of his right. His right to be judged by his right to an extradition hearing or a hearing under the Rome Statutes Article 59. Susme! There's no loophole. There's no misalignment between the definition of judicial authority. That's bull manure. Akala ko ba hindi tayo miyembro ng ICC? Then, you cannot cite the Rome Statute. O bakit nila gagamitin yung Rome Statute to read the term judicial authority in that light? I'm not mad at you, ma'am. I'm so mad at them. Sabi ni Mama Hana, I want to be informed. Watch the hearing, pero Diyos me, ako ata matitigok una ka high blood. Sabi ni Napi Buy, nakakabahala, Secretary of Justice yan, harap-harapan, nagsisinungaling and willing to bend the law for their benefit. Ano na lang, closed doors, red herring, and intellectual dishonesty. Ay nako, there was no intellect in that dishonesty. Seryoso, I did not see any intellect in that dishonesty today on display in the Senate. Sabi ni Amin, tama nga naman. Eh bakit pa sila nag-oath-taking? Bakit pa sila sumumpa? Pwede palang magsinungaling. Sabi, ganda tong sabi ni Ponyos, if ever Sara becomes president, walang if ever, when Sara becomes president in 2028, I don't mind if she drops all her plataforma and focus on revenge politics. You know what? Tama si Crisette, dapat meron siyang Minister of Revenge. So at least we get another 6 years of being happy for the other family's misfortune. It's called Schadenfreude, and yes, I want another 6 years of that. Sabi ni Ma'am Lisa, magkakasakit tayo talaga dito sa galit. Yung mga patweet siya, sabi niya, ang social ng curse words ni attorney, rear end at boot. Because I'm trying not to get banned. How can Torre be accountable sa violation na ginawa niya on not allowing PRD to see VP? Well, he has to be administratively sued. Sabi ni Junar, baliwala yan, bastusan na nga pag sila ordinaryong vlogger lang, contempt agad. Totoo. Sabi ni Ma'am Jean, Boying's relentless lying and palusot. Kasi untouchables, nagtataka talaga ako, Attorney Quicks, gaano ba kadaming pera ang kailangan nila? Money is just an instrument, pero at the end of the day, it's our own peace. Yep. So, Friday po bukas, Green Friday. My God! Akala ko, sa totoo lang, di ba, tanggap na natin yung mga pangyayari. Hindi na nila ako kayang galitin. Wala, galit pa rin ako. No. Sabi ni Junere, what will be the implications on this kind of hearings? Pwede ito gamitin sa mga susunod na administrations pala. Well, whatever is said, diba, is on record and can be used as evidence for whatever legal purpose it may serve. Sabi ni Loving Mama, no balls, all eyebrows. Ano daw? Sabi ni Jose Leandro Viray, kahit sa Senado gusto nakabusal din ng bibig. Grabing gobyerno, lahat sunuran lang dahil lahat busog. Kaya nga, ibig sabihin, nakakaawa si Aimee. Kasi ang ganda ng pinatutunguhan ng kanyang hearing. Kumbaga, lalong-lalo na mag-i-eleksyon, itong mga ambisyoso at ambisyosa, at itong mga opisyales in the executive, hay nako. Tingin ko titiwalag si Aimee. Parang ganun eh. Uy, sabi ni Ma'am Isabel, unfollowed heart. Damay-damay na to. Sarap sa bunutan ng kilay. Kukunti na nga lang, ma'am. Sa sabunutan mo pa. Ma'am, ang bait ni Ma'am, oh. Sabi ni Ma'am Pia Colada, the first thing Inday Sara should do once she gets sworn in as president is put everyone under PBBM and Romualdez admin and their allies in a no-fly list and have them submit to COA for audit. Wow, bait ni Ma'am. Ay nako, kung ako, ngayon pa lang ino-audit na, labasan na lang yan later on. Napagod ako, sorry, hahikab ako ng hikab. Pero napagod ako watching that. Nakakaloka sila. Ito, sabi nga ni Rome Ria Pulido, kapag nagsasabi ng totoo, iko-contempt. Pero kapag nagsisinungaling, hindi pwedeng i-contempt. Anyari? No, Ma'am Samin is asking, just, not related. Sabi niya, I noticed 162,000 ka na pala, so have you received your silver button? No, YouTube has not given me my silver button. Parati kong pina-follow up at ang sinasabi nila, still under evaluation. It seems that they don't like political vlogs. Sabi ni Batotoy, kaya pala ang lakas ng loob nila sumagot kahit kasinungalingan. Useless naman pala magpa-contempt. O, yun na nga. Melomine is asking, sino pwede magdemanda kay Torre on all of his violations regarding Duterte's kidnapping? Any person with personal knowledge or a person who has witnesses who have personal knowledge? Ang init, di ba kayo nainitan sa panahon? Feeling ko kaya ang init din ng ulo ko, ang init ng panahon. Naku, kawawa ang gobyerno dito. Sabi ni Ma'am Corazon, sobrang gigil ko kanina, tumigil na ako manood, na high blood ako sa galit. Totoo yun. No, ma'am, what I mean is yung pag-compromise ng contempt power sa rules nila. Sabi ni JPC Quips, so corporate, if there's something uncertain due to the lack of precedent in a situation and lack of guidelines, we delay action rather than take action. Yes! Good point. How about legal matters? What's the default? It depends on what the lawyer will tell you kung ano yung pinaka-conservative na approach. And usually, ang conservative na approach would also be a conservative reading of the law. Sabi ni Alfonso Ranyola, kaya mainit ang panahon, nasa lupa ang mga demonyo, nasa admin. So alam niyo na yung gagawin natin, di ba? Di ba? Alam niyo na rin. So ako, I strongly encourage any action that you can take to show our displeasure with this government. Anong date nung vlog or comment nyo about Congress hearing na lumabas si Talakera at Pulveron bit ni BBM? Kailan ba yung hearing? Nag-live naman ako on the same date as the hearing. Bakit? Bakit mo tinatanong? Sabi ni Ma'am Christine, hell is empty and all the devils are here. Sabi ni Chuck, SP cannot be compared to a dog. Dogs are loyal without any condition. I disagree with this. Sabi ni John Edit, drama-drama lang yung kay Amy, wag magpabudol ulit. Alam na. Bakit? Hindi nga natin pinag-uusapan yung part na yun. Pero come on, let's be fair. Kung hindi nagpahiring ng ganito si Amy, ang daming hindi lalabas. So now, nakakuha tayo ng admissions from General Torre, nakakuha tayo ng mga inconsistent statements from the SOJ, at alam natin that at the highest levels talaga ng galing ang orders dito. So if ever there comes a time when revenge can be extracted, we know kung sino yung mga makakasuhan. Ay, meron nga 1 month na ba si... Hoy... 1 month na si FPRD mula nung na-aresto bukas. Well, Green Friday tomorrow, I will be going to, Cebu. For a talk. Sino ditong mga taga Cebu? Sabi ni Healing Mind, gusto ko pa naman sanang kumalma dahil yung pangalan mo, Healing Mind. Parang, di ba, pababa. Parang ang feeling mo, parang parang, anyway. Kuhang-kuha nila Boying at Torres ang inis ng masa. Hindi kasi nakanood. 8. Sabi ni Ponyos, Bongo, Bato, and Robin should improve their public speaking skills. Amy is single-handedly driving the probe, while pro-Duterte senators hardly contribute. Sayang yung chance. Di rin naghanda. Well, si Bato, in fairness, si Bato kahit paano. At saka, they don't even have to make pilit speaking in English. Pero sana, substantial yung sinasabi. I get your point.